Why you need to change your location, or is it important to change your location? Well, changing the location these days becomes very important for many people as they want to protect their privacy or for some security reasons. I personally change my location always for many reasons, and this is why I'm gonna show you how I do that safely. This method allows me to set any fake location I want as my default location. So if you wanna change the GPS location in your iPhone or Android with just one click, then I have the best software for you. Say hi to Tenorshare iAnyGo, which is the perfect software that you need. You can use this amazing software to fake your location with just one click, change your location to any place you want, and many features. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to download, install, and how to use Tenorshare iAnyGo software. First, go to the official website of Tenorshare iAnyGo, and as you see, this is the software. Tenorshare iAnyGo is fully compatible with the latest iOS 18 and Android 15. It's a good software for spoofing your location, and it works on both Android and iOS. Here you can see the software features. It's very safe to change location in Pokemon Go and Monster Hunter Now games without getting banned. With it you can change GPS location without jailbreak or root. No cracked apps installed, so enjoy flying in original games without error 12. Works on all LBS apps such as Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter Now, WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. 360-degree GPS joystick to create the shortest route instantly, and fully support all iOS versions and Android 15. So what does this software do? The software deceives your iOS device's GPS into believing it is in a different location, and that's it. If you scroll down here, you will see some of the software features. The software works on game apps, dating apps, social apps, and navigation with real-time tracking. The software can change GPS location instantly. Also, it has single spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, and jump teleport mode. Tenorshare iAnyGo has many amazing features, so let's go ahead and download it. iAnyGo software supports Windows and macOS. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. The software is now downloading. I've already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After downloading it, just go ahead and open the file to install Tenorshare iAnyGo software. Okay, I will open it. Now just move it to apps folder. I've already installed it. Once installed, go ahead and open it. And as you see, this is the software. With Tenorshare iAnyGo, you can choose any location you want and designate it as your default location. This is some of the software features. It includes single spot mode, multi-spot mode, joystick mode, and jump teleport mode. Now hit enter. Here select your device. It supports both Android and iOS. Just go ahead and connect your device to your Mac. I will connect my device, and as you see, my device is now connected. You can also connect your iPhone via Wi-Fi without USB cable. Hit next. Here select which simulation mode you want to use, game mode or general mode. The game mode is suitable for specific LBS games such as Pokemon Go, Monster Hunter Now, and others, and the general mode suitable for most social apps and LBS games. I will select general mode. The software now will show you your current location. I will use screen sharing to show my iOS device on my Mac. Okay, this is my device. I will open maps on my iPhone. This is my current location, and now I'm gonna change it. Okay, here at the top you can select which feature you wanna use. I will use teleport mode to change my location. Okay, to change your location, just select the location you want on the map, then click start modifying. I will select this location. Once I click start modifying, the location will change immediately, as you will see. And boom, that's it. The location has been changed. It's that simple. Okay, I will change it again. So let's select this location. As you see, it changed immediately. And that's it. Pretty simple and easy to use. You can change it as many times as you want. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the other features. So now I will use single spot mode. With single spot mode, you can set a single point movement path. You can select the starting and ending points or import the GPX files, which allows your phone GPS to move along the road generated by the system at a specific speed. From here, you can change the speed to match your liking. With single spot mode, you can change the GPS moving trace on your device when played the location-based apps like LBS games or fitness apps. With multi-spot mode, you can let the GPS location on iOS device move along the customized route at a specific speed. With this feature, you can change the GPS movement trace on the device when using location-based apps such as LBS games, fitness apps, and more. You can plan a route by selecting multiple spots on the map. Then the location of your device will move as you like at different simulated speeds. states. You can select many places as you want. The GPS will move according to the planned route. It will start moving from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on. With joystick mode, it allows you to freely mock location direction when playing games using GPS joystick or keyboard to control GPS movement direction. You can freely change the location direction easily from here. This is really useful in many games. You can use the virtual joystick to control the GPS movement and control the virtual location of your device. It's one of the features that I like. You can control the GPS movement more flexibility. Directions are changeable at any time during the movement. And finally, with jump teleport mode, you can plan and mark locations in advance without needing to select them again every time you finish modifying your location. It can be applied in some location-based apps such as LBS games, travel and social apps. You can teleport to multiple locations in a row, making it easy to go anywhere without going outside. It's a good feature to jump to other location without actually moving. Just select location on the map and jump directly to that place without moving. This is pretty good feature. Here you have some useful options like device management, quickly access to favorite locations, import GPX file, find your current location and restore the real location. So this is Tenorshare iAnyGo software. It's really good software and it's easy to use. It works almost everywhere like social apps, dating apps, AR games and so much more. Tenorshare iAnyGo is really good software. With just one click you can change the location of your iPhone and it supports all iOS versions. It's all in one software. So go ahead and try it now. You will find the download link in the description below this video. And as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.